Elote steak street tacos. What? Come on! Guys, welcome to the show. My name is CJ. Right over there is Nate. Right over there is Ethan. And right over there is the droid that you're not.
We don't need to see his identification.
Glad that you guys are here. You're gonna love this one. I have actually never made elote.
You don't say.
I know, right?
You gonna try it? You ever rung a bell?
From time to time. Ooh, 2 Star Wars references.
Wow.
Yeah, stick around. You're gonna wanna have some fun with us. Grab something to sip on. We'll see you on the inside.
I thought they smelled bad on the outside.
So come on, everyone, it's today's first show.
Now today we are going to be using flank steak with our, oh, you know what? Before I even go any further.
Whoa, whoa.
I forgot to mention.
What?
This is a Griddle Nation inspiration.
Oh, nice.
Yes, so
Okay.
Griddle Nation inspiration. We're always on the lookout for new fun recipes, and I love doing Griddle Nation
There's a
inspirations
lot.
because it means I really don't have to come up with my own. And I can just steal yours and piggyback on that, maybe make some tweaks from time to time. Today we're gonna be doing an inspiration from none other than Mama's on the Griddle. That's it. That being said,
Thanks, Mama.
thanks Mama on the Griddle. Yeah, she is crushing it. Oh, we got a little bit of fat that's hanging out down under
I
there.
don't mind that.
I don't mind that one bit. We're gonna season up this flank. Actually, she used skirt steak, and I like skirt steak, but the grocery store did not have skirt steak today. They had the largest flank steak of all time.
Flank looks good. A+ on the flank.
Take it easy.
Seasoning with some Blackstone Blackened and the Blackstone
I like
street
the
taco.
I like the two
Today, Junior!
Man.
Struggle bus, hello us.
Apparently.
Apparently I'm
I
on a
wanna
bus and I
try.
don't know how to talk. And the oil, apparently my griddle's on high.
Apparently.
We want screaming hot. I'm gonna go for a quick sear here. Literally smoking hot is the name of the game.
Wait, gee.
Watch out. Also, getting oil on you, ruining your clothes is part of the game, but I don't like that game.
You dropped the corn.
It is very bad luck.
It fell and didn't spill. Wow! Let's ring it and bring it for that. That is unbelievable.
Could you hear the grunt on camera?
Yeah.
The grunt of disappointment.
While our steak is cooking, we're about to get going with the elote components. Now, this was not part of Mama's on the Griddle, her recipe, but I wanted to take a liberty to do my own thing. And so today I'm gonna be adding some diced red bell pepper. Also, I've got some very small minced red onion,
Bam.
not to be confused with purple.
Oh, yeah.
And it's a different red than this red bell pepper, but they are definitely both still indeed
Oh,
red.
You just contradicted your own argument. It's still correct.
It's still correct.
That is correct.
And yep, we are officially at that point. Let's go ahead and get our corn and head over to the Blackstone. Frozen corn is the way to go, my friend. Now this is one of those things that I kind of took a liberty.
Liberty, 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 liberty.
She
really
actually
sorry about
used corn on the cob, which I love. I think that was definitely
right move?
a fantastic move. But
But you didn't do it.
I didn't do it because I wanted to have something a little quicker, because I am a quicker picker-upper.
And is 2 times more absorbent than the leading ordinary brand.
Everybody knows that.
Pepper got
Gotcha.
I bet.
Dude, I bet our flank is ready to flip. Oh, yeah. Dude, see right around here around the edges?
Yeah, dude.
That nice, crispy skirt. Oh, flank in this case. Okay.
That's good.
Hey, why don't you,
Whoa.
why don't you just stay right here?
Okay, I'm
'Cause
staying right
I'm
here.
gonna grab some red bell peppers.
Well, I can come right
Okay,
here.
I guess you can come over here and watch.
Why don't you do you, boo?
I am. That's exactly what I just said. I'm gonna do this.
Oh.
So I've got some diced red bell peppers, and now we need a minute.
Not the onion?
Not the onion.
Okay.
We're gonna do raw red onion.
Okay.
Whoa. Welcome back.
Thanks. Good to be back.
We'll see you in a few minutes. Yeah. Corn is still cooking along with those bell peppers. They are getting caramelized nicely. We are definitely at the
That's
Dude.
the stage?
The stage. Yeah, bro, that is just so money.
Gorgeous.
I'm gonna let that sit there for just a minute. Needs a chance to cool off. It's gone through a lot, but you know what?
How's Veronica doing over there?
What?
Corningstone.
Oh,
That was the Anchorman's deep dive. You know, it's fine. It's cool.
All right, we're gonna get our corn, our bell peppers. Again,
Very colorful.
you know what? Do the corn on the cob thing. Actually, Ari, what do you think? Did I do okay on this? Is this an acceptable hack as far as that goes?
I love this hack. I love that you added the red bell pepper. As long as the corn is warmed up and griddled, you're good to go.
Sweet. We are good. We are good. I think we're good. We're pretty good.
No, I'm cool. No, you're not.
Okay, I guess we're not good. I'm not
cool.
gonna add a whole bunch of red onion. I probably I chopped
It's a
up
fun-
a little
it's gonna
more than I needed.
warm up a little bit, but it's not hot. It's not cooked.
No.
Yeah, I like that trick. It's good.
Yeah, and I've also got some cilantro here. I don't remember. Ari, did you put cilantro in yours? I'm definitely gonna do it in mine
needs it.
today.
Yes, so I went ahead and added that fresh cilantro to my elote salad.
I
Does it?
talked with the girl at the grocery store about it.
Really?
Yeah, she likes cilantro, but her mom doesn't. It's like, yeah,
Well,
some people like Neil Diamond. Some people don't.
it's
Some
true.
people are right.
Okay.
Some people are wrong.
I forgot a spoon. So here's what we're gonna do.
Yeah, that's fun for the mayo.
It's my mayo, so we're good.
So that's like putting your whole mouth right in the dip.
And to thin this out, I'm gonna add some lime juice. Now I think there's probably people that would go harder with the mayo, but I don't just love mayo in general.
I'm with you on that
But
one,
I mean,
bud.
I do like it when it's used as like the medium for a sauce or something like that. But in this case, I didn't want
When you
overly
go like-
creamy.
Yeah.
Overly creamy.
It gets
elote.
too mayo-y.
Yes, too mayo-y. That's
Too
the
mayo-y.
technical. That's
It's
the
like
technical.
a potluck at church on Sunday afternoon, like when you were a kid.
Yeah,
Someone brought
exactly.
chicken salad.
Yeah.
It was like a whisper of chicken with all
So
the mayo.
look at that. Like I would have actually been borderline too much mayo,
Oh.
but we're all right. We're good to go right there.
Feel good about this.
Yeah, actually, hold on. We need one more little component here. Gonna do some Blackstone hatch chili and cheddar. Oh, yes. Some Blackstone street taco, and that's where our flavor game is gonna go to like the next level for
To 11.
sure. Actually, with Ari's, she did like individual like paprika, cumin, garlic powder, the whole thing, and I'm all behind that. But with the street taco and the hatch chili and cheddar,
Smells amazing.
loads it up with flavor. Yeah, 2 minutes. We're gonna let that steak chill for another couple minutes. Then we're gonna slice it. Meow, listen up.
Meow.
I'm sorry, are you saying meow? Am I saying meow?
Like a kitty cat.
Oh, hey CJ, did you know?
There he is.
Did you know that the guitarist Stephen Carpenter ranked #1 on online golf on PlayStation in 2005?
No,
Yeah.
I was unaware of that. Maybe we'll see him on the PGA Tour. Because
Online.
yeah,
I've been taking a lot of karate
No, he actually
classes
gave up
online.
the online one and started playing real golf.
legitimate golf.
Yeah.
Ball golf, not to be confused with disc,
Disc golf. They're both real.
We're at that point where we can start to build. However, before we do that, why not just go ahead and clean up the Blackstone real quick? Perfect time to scrape that off and use a little bit of water to let the steam pull the rest of that stuff off. That way you have a nice clean surface. Wipe it down. Actually, I'm gonna use some of the oil that we had left over from earlier instead of adding oil.
A little beef fat in there.
Little beef fat. Also, speaking of ready to go, gonna throw down some corn tortillas and flour tortillas. Yep.
Both?
We're gonna do both.
Thank you.
We are crossing into interesting
you.
territories here. I will make some tacos for you.
appreciate
Ari,
it.
do you approve of the corn and flour?
Either way, if you do corn or flour tortillas, these steak elote tacos are gonna come out delicious.
Now to build, here we go. We've got our little taco rack. It's a cute little taco rack. We're gonna throw in the corn and flour tortillas. We got our steak. We've got some of that amazing elote. Seriously, Ari, for the win, big time. We got some queso fresco. Watch out with all the juice because it gets everywhere. Crumble that up, put that on there. We're gonna do a little cilantro at the end, some lime
Neil Diamond.
juice, little Neil Diamond. And of
Gorgeous,
course a
dude.
post must.
Post must is a dust.
Of course a dusty, pusty,
Ooh.
rusty.
Ooh.
Let's eat it. All right, so this looks fantastic. We've got to go ahead and dive. I don't like.
You did a thing.
My mind's.
You and Ari.
My mind's telling me no.
But my body's telling me yes.
How would everyone you
All
like?
right, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Gonna go for the flour or the corn over here, dude.
Yeah.
The dual tortilla.
That's a pro move right there.
On for days.
That is so money.
That was a quick.
The only
fix, too.
thing that I would say is to have bigger tortillas,
Oh, don't do street taco?
so you could load up with more of everything.
The elote was a fun idea. I like that. I want to play with it.
Yeah, I've never done that
I
before.
want to make it like a
So-
really good version of this.
Ari, do you approve? Because I feel like you should.
CJ, you nailed it. 100% approve. I love that you did corn and flour tortillas. You did a little spin on the corn. Amazing.
Let me know what you guys would do different in the comments. Are you down with some elote? Are you down with elote?
PP?
Yeah, you know.
You down with the elote? You know me.
Let's talk about all the good things and the bad things that may be.
Speaking of comments, we gotta get out of this one. It is time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Okay, we have got here. We are at the part of the show where I screenshot comments from you, the viewers, because if you guys write it,
we dadgum read it.
Dadgum right, with the double darn on you.
Double dog dare ya.
Yep.
Dang it, boy.
Oh.
Who said that? Whoa, he just bowed
up. This is from Stephen Knowles. Yes. What? Stephen Knowles says, "Hey CJ, I'm new watching your show. I like it, but I have a question for you.
Uh-oh.
Did you know there's no word in the English language that rhymes with mouth?"
Get white out of here.
Mouth. Oh, month, not mouth. That makes more sense.
Man, it is rough. It's hot out today,
I
everybody.
guess so. Because I was like, well, what about south? Because
Delirious.
month. No word that rhymes with month.
Month.
Have you ever gone to Krispy Kreme? Was it crispy?
No.
Yeah, right.
Steven, that was a good one. I thought I said mouth at first. My eyes were so watery
There's
from laughing.
No word that rhymes with month. It's
Month,
true.
huh.
Month.
Yeah.
Month?
No, that's not a word.
This next one's from Simpleman7363. Another gem of a show, entertaining and informative, yet no matter how hard I try, my comments are never part of the comments of the week.
Aw.
Begging for the 15 seconds of fame,
There he is.
LOL. Well, Simple Man.
A simple kind of man.
That was your 15 seconds.
His comment made it. CJ's favorite comments of the week.
So this next one comes from Four Seasons Barbecue.
Oh, right on.
Says, CJ,
Uh-oh.
you can eat Taco Bell hot sauce, but you won't
True.
eat seafood?
Yep.
There's something wrong with you,
Yup.
but I'm still going to watch your videos because they're awesome. I
Yup.
love your comedy and all the movie clips. Keep up the great work, my friend. Listen,
This guy
liking
knows.
a sauce
This guy knows his stuff.
and not liking seafood,
This is one of those
totally
guys who leaves a
different
comment because he
game, my
wants to
friend.
help you.
Because you know
Understands the
seafood
biz.
might actually be a
He knows
little
what's
bit
going
better
on. He knows what's best
with a
for
little
you.
bit of Taco Bell
He
hot
obviously
sauce.
knows what's best for all of us.
I don't like it when you guys fight.
What was his name again?
It doesn't matter. Oh, this is so strange. All right, Charlie Smiloff.
Hey, Charlie.
Yeah, Charlie Smiloff. All caps, mind
Hey,
you.
Charlie!
Yeah. Please help. My dad is addicted to your videos.
And? Is that it?
That's it.
Help! How can we...
I need somebody, not just anybody. You know I need someone to help.
That wasn't quite. It was close.
It was the
Since
since my baby left me.
In the same key, though, I think.
I found a new place to dwell. Well, it's not a barbershop quartet now, is it?
No, this is thoroughly depressing.
All right, this one is from our boy Lance Dean.
Oh, hey Lance. Lance is awesome.
The true G himself. He says, you can cut the egg roll, cut the burrito, just don't cut the cheese.
Lance,
you're
better than this. You got more.
No. Yeah.
Wait. No. 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 No.
Yeah, Lance! Thought it'd be funny. And that's how we wrap it up, folks. Thanks so much for hanging out. Thank you for the Griddle Nation inspiration.
Absolutely.
Ari, that was fantastic. Mama's on the Griddle. Be sure to go follow her on all of her platforms because she is all over the place. Like literally every platform there is. She's killing it. She's crushing it. But in the meantime, go to blackstoneproducts.com, see all Blackstone stuff. Go to griddlenation.com. You can also go find out where the party is, because there is one that's taking place. Let me know if you want to put something up on the OG board. You can message me on Instagram.
That's better than sliding up in your DMs.
Well, now you said it. Slide up in my DMs.
Power on.
And that wraps up an episode of CJ's First Cooking Show. It's a place where we like to cook.
End quote. I'm smiling. Okay, wasn't what I'm smiling.
We will see you guys in the next episode.
Yeah.